Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix WhatsApp black and white screen on iPhone. So let's start. So let's go to settings. Here on settings, let's go to WhatsApp. So let's looking for WhatsApp. Let's scroll down and let's find WhatsApp app. Okay, so let's go down. And then here, when you find the app, just you'll see that we have activate options, contacts, microphone, look at network, camera. So I recommend you to turn off all these options. Just wait a little bit, and then when you do it, let's try to activate or turn on the options once again. So you can do it, just wait a little bit, maybe 5 minutes, I don't know, and then activate it. Probably with this option you can fix the problem about the black and white screen on iPhone. As you can see, it's very easy. Try to open WhatsApp and try to use it without any problem, and now probably you fix it. Well guys, as you can see, it's easy to do it. I hope this method helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.